It's weird because it was just running fine up to the house. What, you think the valves are too tight?
Well, they just touched like not even a quarter turn on them.
You gonna disconnect the battery?
Transmission is definitely out of this.
No other gears?
I'm going to try reverse.
Nothing. You gonna call Uncle Bush to come pick us up? Do that one more time?